Whananaki. I've just experienced a weekend of rest, relaxation and reflection. A weekend of healthy eating and tips to creating healthier habits. A weekend of connecting with like-minded ladies. What a great retreat it's been.
My name's Jodie and I've come from Hawke's Bay to the retreat. Absolutely loved every minute of it. I came because I wanted to learn about food, more so for myself and to take away home to the family. The biggest takeaway for me is that it's going to be easy to implement at home, and I highly recommend this to anybody that's interested in getting their family into healthy eating.
I'm Fran from Gisborne. My friend invited me on this trip with her. She knew that I live a busy life and needed a break away. And because this retreat was all about healthy eating and learning new recipes, it was the perfect opportunity. My biggest takeaway from this weekend is how easy it is to eat healthy, how many recipes are out there, and it can still be simple and nutritious. Highly recommend to anybody. This retreat would suit anybody. You don't just have to be a healthy eater to love it.